I'm Mike Field with Field Realty, and this is your 2022 year-end market update. In this year-end market update, we're going to compare the most important stats year over year for the 4 major counties of the capital region, including Albany, Rensselaer, Saratoga, and Schenectady.
With 2022 in the books, and as we look back at the data, the start of the year proved to be a lot different than how we ended it. The overwhelming headlines throughout 2022 had everything to do with interest rates. At the beginning of the year, the 30-year fixed rate was in the mid-3s, and when we finished, they were off in the high 6s. This was the first time in history that the interest rates have doubled with any given 12-month period, and it definitely had a major impact on the market. As we take a look at the new listings to hit the market, there was a significant decrease for all 4 counties. Schenectady had the largest decrease of 21%. The market overall was down 16%. This is one of the factors that has stabilized pricing as buyers continue to be forced with minimal options in the market.
When new listings are down, it's also no surprise that the number on new contracts is also down. Albany and Rensselaer counties were both down by 12%, where Saratoga was down 16% and Schenectady County was down 21%. With new listings and contracts down, there was obviously going to be a decrease in the number of closings as well. Albany and Saratoga counties were both down 12 and 11% respectively, where Rensselaer County had the lowest decrease at 9%. Schenectady was down just over 22%.
For most of the year, the sold volume counts were higher for 2022. There was a dramatic decrease at the end of the year. That contributed to the overall sold volume in 2022 being lower than 2021. Again, the story here is when the number of closings are down as much as they were, the overall volume decreases as well. Let's talk about average sale price. The average sale price was the only figure that had increased. The interesting stat here is that all 4 counties averaged right around 8% year over year. There was a very small margin between the 4 counties, and Saratoga proved to have the highest average sale price of $438,000, whereas Schenectady had the lowest at $257,000.
Our predictions for the 2023 real estate market are that inventory is going to continue to be tight, interest rates should start to be stable and continue to lower throughout the year, making it more affordable for buyers and bringing the buyers back to the market that were scared off by the rise in rates. It's hard to expect that we'll ever see a 30-year fixed rate in the 2s and 3 percentage points, and hopefully a market where rates are in the 4 and 5 range gives some satisfaction and some normalcy to what has been a very crazy market for the last 24 months.
Now more than ever, experience matters, and if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, call the #1 real estate team in the capital region and the #2 real estate team in the entire state of New York. The field team would welcome the opportunity to assist you and put our experience to work in helping you make a great decision in today's market. This has been your 2022 year-end Capital Region Housing Market Update, courtesy of the field team. We wish you all the best in 2023, and as always, don't forget the home field advantage.